Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by measuring and assembling ingredients for a creamy milkshake base. Combine 1 cup whole milk, 1 cup heavy cream, 1/3 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla in a bowl. Whisk until smooth. Pour the blended mixture into a Ninja Creami pint container. Leave about 1/2 inch of headspace. Seal the lid tightly, label with the date, and place the pint upright in your freezer for 24 hours solid. Do not disturb during that time. After the 24-hour freeze, remove the pint from the freezer and let it rest at room temperature for 2 to 3 minutes to slightly loosen the edges. If you plan to add chunky mix-ins like cookie pieces, peanut brittle, or candy, reserve them until after the first creamy cycle to protect texture. Add no more than 2 cups of mix-ins total and fold them into the hole you'll create in the center. Keep up to 2 tablespoons of milk nearby. To adjust, install the frozen pint into the Ninja Creami outer bowl, lock it in, and select the milkshake or drink program according to your model. Run the program once and inspect the texture. If the product is crumbly, add 2 tablespoons of whole milk into the center hole, reattach the lid, and respin until smooth and drinkable. Use the mix-in or respin function to fold in reserved chunks. Scoop or pour the finished milkshake into a 12-ounce glass. Garnish as desired, and serve immediately for the ideal creamy texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.